In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Craft Niche Analyzer on your Mac computer running your Mac OS X. Please note that this software will not work on, let's say, an iPhone or like an iPad that's running an iOS operating system. iOS and the Mac OS X are different operating systems. So this will only work on a Mac computer like an iMac or like a Mac Pro laptop, but not the iPads or like iPhones and things like that. So just want to clarify that first before we get going. And once you download or once you purchase the software, you'll be presented with this page you're looking at here. And it's located at craftnicheanalyzer.com/download.php. And so if we go down here, what you want to do is enter in the email that you use to purchase the software and click Get Download Links. And once you do that, you'll be presented with these two download buttons here. There'll be one for Windows and one for Mac. So let's concentrate on the one with Mac. And all you have to do is just select, just click the download, and you'll see it download in our browser here. I'm using the Chrome browser, and you'll see down at the bottom. Now, as I mentioned in the other install video, sometimes in Microsoft Chrome, sorry, not Microsoft Chrome, Google Chrome browser, you might see a little warning here saying the file may be dangerous or something like that. You don't have to worry about my software being dangerous. It will never, ever harm your computer in any possible way. I personally make all my software from scratch, so I know there's nothing wrong with it. If you come here, you'll always see there'll be a little button to the right. If you just hover over top, you click that, and you'll have an option here saying Keep File Anyways. Now, I haven't seen this error for a long time. Maybe they've removed it out of the Google Chrome web browser, but if you do have an older version or Google seems to put it back or whatever, if you see that, just click Keep File Anyways, and so it'll allow the browser to download it. Now, if Google Chrome will not allow it to download, you can always just use the Safari web browser, which will work just fine. Or maybe Firefox or some other web browser. But it downloaded just fine, so now I can click here and go Show in Finder, and it just downloaded it to my Downloads folder. And what I love about a Mac is the fact that getting the install file out of the zip file is so simple. It's a little easier than Windows. All you have to do is just double click it. You double click it and boom, it extracts out the install file. Now the install file is a disk image file. Okay, so to install a disk image file, this is how you do it. You have to first double click this DMG file. And what it will do, you will open up that window. Let me just get rid of some stuff here. It'll open up this window, and it'll also put this hard drive on your desktop. So what you need to do, and this is pretty important, a lot of people sort of skip this step a little bit. What you have to do is you have to left click this icon right here, and then you have to hold down your mouse and you have to drag it over to this folder and let go. I know that sounds pretty trivial, but many people make the mistake of just simply double clicking this inside this disk image window and try to open the software from inside of a compressed disk image. Well, you can't do that, and the Mac computer will show a bunch of warnings and things like that, and it just won't work. So what you have to do is you have to drag it into here, or you can drag it in. You can physically drag it into your folder if you want. That's another way of doing it, actually. If you bring up your Finder window, if it's going to bring it up for me here, let me see, new Finder window. There it is. You can always go to your applications, and then you can just drag that icon into the applications. It's already in there, so I'm just going to click stop, but we've already installed it. And now it's installed on the computer. Now what we can do is we can right click this and eject. Now that's kind of gone. And so now I'm going to go down to my applications. Okay, let's go to application folder and open up the software. Now the first time you open up the software, you're going to get this little warning here, but again, you don't have to worry about this. Let me show you how to get past this. It says it can't be opened because developer cannot be verified, but that's totally fine. Just click cancel. So what we need to do here is you want to go up to the little apple in the very top left-hand corner of your Macintosh. Click that and go System Preferences. And in System Preferences, you'll see Privacy, Security, and Privacy. Click that. Now, if you don't see this here, click this little button up here and I'll give you all the icons, and then you click Security, and you're going to see this here. allow apps downloaded from, it says Craft Niche Analyzer.app was blocked. Don't worry about that. Just go open anyways. And this will come here and it will and just click open again. And the Craft Niche Analyzer will open. And when you first open the software, you'll have to enter in the email that you used to purchase the software. So when you purchased it, you used a specific email. Use that same email. And then click register. And then the software will open up and you'll have access to all the features. And that's how you download and install the Craft Niche Analyzer on your Mac computer. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.